a little hectic, okay, because those power lines are running through right there. If I hit those power lines, that neighbor's probably gonna hate me. Get my framing package figured out, get all my windows ordered. If, like I told y'all earlier, if you don't get this done beforehand, you will be waiting on windows. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Nikos Property Show. Really exciting day today for episode 2. I cannot wait to jump into this video with you. Right now, we gotta go jump over and grab a trailer so we can go pick up that Bobcat I was telling you about. We got a lot of work going on. We gotta fill up the Bobcat. We gotta go get this rental, which is called a brush hog. We're gonna go through all that trees. I told you on the last video, all those trees were getting knocked down. We gotta actually take that tree down because it got electrocuted. So I got chainsaws. My dad's gonna help me out as much as he possibly can. But right now, I gotta go get that trailer with my pops, so I will see y'all over there. We got that loaded up, trailer's ready. We're going to get the Bobcat. My dad's helping out. I need him. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna get this trailer ready, locked and loaded. This Bobcat's gotta go. I'm gonna jump in, start it up. We're headed to work. All right, y'all, he's got the front attachment for the bucket. We're good to go. We're gonna get it loaded up. I'm ready. I hope y'all are ready. Come on, we gotta go to work. We can't talk all day. All right, y'all, my pops loaded up the Bobcat. We gotta get these things, I'm not sure what they're called, but it's how you lock it down to make sure it doesn't go flying off on the highway. So we're gonna get this set up real quick, get a chain. Shut the nazывается. Man, don't nobody know. You just grab the red thing. That's what you call it. Yes, sir. Always make sure you're checking safety. Get everything locked in. You don't want this sucker flying off on the highway, especially when your dad's driving it. All right, y'all, we gotta go. Headed to the property, baby. Smile. Yeah. All right, y'all. When you're filling up a Bobcat, you better make sure it's diesel. Always have your dad around. Let's see how much it costs to fill up. We don't know if it's empty or not. We're good, baby. We're only at $59. Not so bad. It's like filling up my Tahoe. Make sure he sees me. It's time to unload this Bobcat. Time to finally get to work. Oh, yeah. Sir. Y'all see what's going on? Yes, sir. It's time to work. All right, y'all, Bobcat is dropped off. We're ready. Now we need to go get the attachment real quick from the rental company to go, clear all the woods. So we're gonna go jump in the car, get that real quick, and we'll be right back. We're here at United Rentals. We're gonna grab that brush hog real quick. I'll see you back at the property. If you ain't never undone a strap before, this is how you do it. When it's down, pull it down, pop it, boom. Then it actually releases. So everybody who's never undone a strap, I didn't learn that till I was like 17. So that's how you undo a strap. Getting in the Bobcat, first things first, obviously start it up and everything, but gotta get rid of this bucket. Actually remove this as an attachment so that I can attach the brush hog and then get that going all the way up in here. And it's gonna get crazy. Be careful watching, you don't wanna get something in your eye. I'm gonna actually drop this off right by this tree. There we go. It's off. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3 if you know what you're doing. So this is how you do it right here. Get up nice and slow. Oh, it's a perfect up. Back it up, back it up. Okay. Scoot up on it. Oh, back it up. set it down, good to go. So these hydraulic hoses right here, you attach them into here so that I can actually control this with my joystick that's inside there. So a lot of cool stuff going on, honestly, in construction. And if you've never done it, it's crazy stuff, man. It is crazy stuff. So right here, of course, it don't ever fit like you want it to, but you gotta pull on it, tug on it, and push on it. There it is. Boom, that's nice and secured. Let's see which attachment this is gonna be. It's gonna be this one. Push that in there, make sure it's good. And you don't want these hydraulic wires anywhere here. You don't want them to get pinched. It's expensive stuff. All right, let's get started. Wait. Okay, before you ever get started on any work, if you're gonna be disturbing any land, you gotta get a permit. I'm obviously not showing y'all for privacy reasons, but you have to get a land disturbing permit from the city. I actually applied for this and I got it back 24 hours later. You have to pay a fee depending on how much property you're gonna be disturbing and all that. So now that I have this, and it has to be on site, this has to be there or they will fine you. I'm gonna grab some water. I'm gonna put on my gloves because it is hot out here, so I need to hydrate. Now that I got that out of the way, let me grab my water. Let's get to work. Run the B-roll. It's hot out here, but check this out. Come on. That's that construction life for you, y'all. It's hot. Sticks are hitting you from every direction, but we got this property looking a little bit more straightened up. I'm not done yet. Maybe I'm yelling, but I'm hard of hearing because that is super loud. I don't have earplugs in, but I'm trying to get it squared off to where it's a nice property line going around right there. We got to cut this tree down actually. So a little story is the guy who I bought it from told me that this tree was electrocuted. So I guess you can see that because it's going in all crazy directions. So I wanted to get around it as clear as I possibly could so that once I get with this chainsaw that y'all saw over there with the extendo, I can get this tree to fall this way, then I'll cut it up into pieces, put on the bucket for the Bobcat, drive it up to the road, be able to get a dumpster in here or get the city of Chattanooga to come pick it all up, or just line it up here nicely, to be honest with you, depending on how I cut it up. But I'm real happy with how this looks. Got the property opened up. It looks clean, it looks clear. Nice big rectangle here, and I'm ready to get on that chainsaw. Grab the chainsaw. I just need to sit down for a second. Even though you're sitting in the Bobcat, it gets real in there. But I wanted to ask y'all, you know, like what's the most entertaining thing, or what is the most valuable thing you take away from building a house? What do you want to know about? What questions do you have? And I'll try to answer them in videos. So as the questions come in, we'll put them in the next videos and stuff like that. Drop a comment. Let me know what you're most excited for. Maybe it's the design process, or, you know, seeing the block get laid for the foundation. You name it. I don't know. Maybe it's, man, I got bugs falling all over me. Woo, sorry, y'all. A little intermission there, but I just needed to take a break real quick. Take a second before we get started on this chainsaw because it's going to get real, and it's hot, and it's humid, and it's the state of Tennessee, baby. On to the next task. I told you about that tree. I showed it to you. It's getting a little squirrely, so I got to do some critical thinking here, okay? It's leaning this way a little bit, and it's rotten. It got electrocuted, so you can see it's getting chipped away. However, there are power lines right behind the tree. So I'm kind of like, ugh, okay, because if this tree goes backwards, that's big money, okay? That's that hurt money, okay? That's a lot of money coming out of my pocket that I don't want coming out of my pocket. So I'm gonna have to cut a wedge out, and then I'm gonna actually put the bucket of the Bobcat on. I'm gonna switch out that attachment that's on there, the brush hog, and put the bucket on, and I'm gonna get this wedge cut out, and I'm gonna start pushing on the tree a little bit to see if it'll come, and if it will, we'll be able to drop it no problem. Then I'll just cut the stump out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this wedge cut out. I got the bucket switched out on the Bobcat. We're gonna get that cut, then we're gonna give it a little bitty push, but let's see, we got a cold start. Let's see if I can even start a chainsaw. Haven't done this in a while, so. We got the wedge cut out. We need this tree to fall this way. It's a little hectic, okay, because those power lines are running through right there. If I hit those power lines, that neighbor's probably gonna hate me, and we ain't even neighbors yet, okay? I just got the property next to him. We don't need to be on bad sides already. So I'm gonna call in some reinforcement and have some help come out, get us to get this tree moving this way with some straps or with the Bobcat. But having one guy do all this by himself, not the safest thing. So let's wait till reinforcement gets here. We got reinforcement here. My dad pulled up with one of my brothers. I'm new to this, they're true to this, so we're gonna see what happens here. They're gonna tip this thing over. Давайте назад. Побачим. We're gonna see what happens, y'all. It's a little stiff. We'll see. If not, we'll just redo it and keep going. Oh shoot. That's when I get nervous. This is problem solving, y'all. Building 101. Oh snap. Oh no, that ain't going. You're gonna have to cut into it. It's coming, it's coming. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, oh yeah, I got a sledgehammer. Yeah, this is when you bring in the recon, baby. Oh yeah, oh, there it is, Bo. Hey, that's how you do it. Look at that guy, look at that guy. 63 or 62 years old and still pumping, baby. We got the recon squad to come through. I told y'all, this is my first build by myself. So I had my brother come in, my dad come in. They handled that for me. As you can see, they knocked the tree down perfectly. Okay, now I got the chainsaw. I'm gonna knock a bunch of these limbs off. We're gonna get it set up by the road, call the city. The city comes and picks up stuff like this for free. It just beautified the property so much. Then we're gonna run to a few different places, and I can't wait to show you where we're going and a few different things we have to do in order to make sure this build is done on time. I got some earplugs because this chainsaw gets louder and louder, and then I got some real stylish glasses here from my brother because, listen, you start cutting and you're like this the whole time, and next thing you know, you got about half a tree in your left eye or right eye. So let me get started on this, and we'll see you here in a second. Okay, y'all, a lot of progress that I'm extremely happy with. Look at the tree. look at how this surrounding looks now. I mean, it really opened up the lot, and you can kind of get a better view here with this B-roll footage. So take a look at this and look how amazing this house will look while it's sitting here with all this beautiful acreage. I got the Bobcat put down right there, holding down the trailer so nobody tries to take it. A lot of people out here stealing from job sites for no reason. So I'm really excited with what's going on. But most importantly, there is a timeline for construction, okay? You can't just one day show up and the house is getting built. There's things you got to order, there's people you got to call. So like I said, most of the time you're on your phone trying to build a house. Right now I got to head over to 84 Lumber and order my window package because they're like 10 weeks out. It's never been like this. Sometimes they're 14 weeks out. So you have to order before you even break ground so that you can have that window package arrive once your framing is about complete. So we're going to stop by Scooter's, one of my favorite places to get something refreshing. I'm going to grab some water and get my cameraman a smoothie or something. Let's go. Can I get a large iced cup of water, please? And then a large Red Bull Infusion blended raspberry coconut mixed.
Raspberry coconut mix. Alrighty, what else for you?
That'll be it.
I'll see you at the window.
Thank you so much. All right, y'all, usually I get that wild berry protein smoothie with almond milk, straight fire. But today, I've been in this heat. All I want is some ice cold water. I need a refresh. But right now, we're gonna head to 84 Lumber, so we'll be there in a jiffy. Hold on. Alrighty, y'all, we're pulling into 84 Lumber. I gotta go in there, talk to our guy, get my framing package figured out, get all my windows ordered. If, like I told y'all earlier, if you don't get this done beforehand, you will be waiting on windows, and you do not wanna do that. This is important stuff. Make sure you find the local company that does all that, and 84 Lumber actually has more than just windows and framing packages. I mean, I can get my trim here. I can get pretty much all my stuff for my interior and things like that, besides like sheetrock and things like that, which most people call drywall. So I'm gonna run in real quick, talk to the guy, get everything ordered, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're good. We got our window package. I can't even talk, I'm excited. We got our window package. He's about to get my framing package done for me. I got other stuff coming in. I'm not sure, oh, my front door, my back door, everything's got to get ordered ASAP. So I better call a garage guy as well because everything is just back order. So anyways, super excited. That's enough for talking here. Let's get out of here and go end the video. Last but not least, y'all, I'm dirty. It's disgusting. I got trees all over me. I don't know what was living in there for the past 20 years, but I was knocking it down. However, really excited with everything that went down today. Getting the Bobcat. Big shout out to my dad and my brother for coming in. Big recon guys. If it wasn't for them, I was getting a little squirrely. I didn't want to knock all those power lines out. But however, super excited for what's coming up. I'm glad that y'all are staying tuned, and I want y'all to drop comments right now. Right now, stop for a second, drop a comment, let me know what you're truly excited about and what you can't wait to see, no matter what part of the process it is. However, I'm gonna have to ask you to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and follow us on all of our social platforms, which are gonna be below and in the caption. So without further ado, I will see y'all in the next video because we have to set up a perimeter around the property, or guess what the city will come and do? Fine you. You don't want that cha-ching. The money will come out of your pocket. You don't want that kind of stuff. Gotta put up a silt fence. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Peace out. You spend more time on the phone trying to build a house than you do actually building the house. Hey,